Hi, welcome to Miss Sharon's Story Time, brought to you by the Morgantown Public Library System. Last week we did Chicka Chicka Boom Boom. This week we're doing Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3. So this is by Bill Martin and it's from Simon & Schuster. I think you'll like this one a lot too. One told two and two told three, I'll race you to the top of the apple tree. Climb, said 4 to 5 and 6, bright little numbers that join the mix. Hurry, yelled 7 to number 8, slowpoke fellow who's always late. Chicka chicka 1, 2, 3, will there be a place for me? And that's the 0 there asking that. And you'll see him in all the pictures. Here comes 9 to the apple tree, next comes 10, and then 11. Wow, these apples taste like heaven. Chicka chicka 1, 2, 3, will there be a place for me? Hot pink 12, lucky 13, picking apples red and green. 14, 15, can you see? They all want to climb the apple tree. Chicka chicka 1, 2, 3, will there be a place for me? 16's next to make the scene. Climbing branches with 17. 18 and 19, one more's 20. Numbers, numbers, there are plenty. Chicka chicka 1, 2, 3, will there be a place for me? Curvy 30, flatfoot 40, climbing up to join the party. 50's fine and 60's dandy. 70's hair is long and sandy. Chicka chicka 1, 2, 3, will there be a place for me? Let's climb more, says treetop 80, higher and higher up to 90. Until at last there's 99 and all the numbers are feeling fine, except for 0 who begins to cry. Chicka chicka 1, 2, 3, will there be a place for me? Oh no, buzzing close, bumblebees. 0 hides behind the tree. Get out of our trees, the bumblebees shout, and all the numbers tumble out. 90, 80, 70 fall, hit the ground in a free-for-all. 60, 50, 40 run, no more climbing, no more fun. 30 next, then sweet little 20, numbers, numbers, no longer plenty. Here's 0 still hiding behind the tree. 19 and 18, my oh my, frightened numbers jump and fly. 17, 16, 15 more. Now 14 has hit the floor. And 13 too, unlucky guy. 12 had almost touched the sky. Bent up 11, wait, where's 10? 9, 8, 7, follow then. Twisted 6 and top hat 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, take a dive. Chicka chicka 1, 2, 3, now I know the place for me. 0 leaps into the sky. Brave little number, he's not shy. 0 lands on top of the tree, joins with 10, now 100 you see. Chicka chicka 1, 2, 3, here's the place that's just for me. All the numbers come back out, higher and higher as they shout. Chicka chicka 1, 2, 3. 0's the hero of the number tree. And there's all the numbers all the way to 100. Oh, that's such a fun story. I love it. Okay, if you enjoyed that, I hope you enjoy these activities. If you pick them up at the library, this is what you'll find. One is this, and here's the apple tree. And what I want you to do is draw a picture of yourself by the apple tree and add numbers all over like they're all climbing up the tree, okay? Then the next thing you will have is this, and it is a dot to dot, and it says, Chicka chicka, 1, 2, 3, what type of fruit do you see? And then the next one would be this one. And it's from Chicka Chicka 1, 2, 3 also. And so it has a lot of apples up here, and here's the numbers. And what you do is you count how many apples are up here, and you write the right number right inside this apple, and then you color the tree however you would like, okay? And then the last thing you'll find is this, and it's just a little paper that tells about my story time and where to find it. So I hope you enjoy all these things and keep reading. Bye-bye.